Chief Minister YUMNAM KHEMCHAND SINGH SARUK YADUNA ngasi Jal Shakti Government of India AMADI Government of MANIPUR GAGI MARAKTA Jal JEEVAN Mission 2.0 implementation Tounabagidamak Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony Pangthokkhre MOU sign Tounaba aduga mari lainana Chief Minister na phongdokhibada mahakna sigumba matangda mahakna yawa phangba si chokthokchaningai ni Jal JEEVAN Mission 2.0 na matam sangna amadi mapung fana rural areas da laiba miyamda thaknaba ishing fanganaba achoba khongthang oirigani ahenba features kaya amaga loinana Bikshit Bharat 2047 mai pakhanbada mateng oirigani haiba wafom thamkhibaga loinana Ministry of Jal Shakti na hotnariba singbusu thagatpa phongdo MOU signed Tounaba Aduda Union Minister of Jal Shakti CR Patil, Deputy Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering Loshi Dikho, Secretary Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Government of India Ashok KK Meena Amadi, Senior Officials Singh Saruk Yakhi.